The Naughty Engines. One day, Nia and Rebecca were with Frankie coming up with a plan. "You know," said Frankie, "you both will cause an accident for any engine you see. And," she continued, "you both will let me know once you have done that." "Yes," they said to Frankie, and they went away. When Thomas was coming down the line, he saw Nia. She made him brake so hard he came off the rails. Rebecca then came behind Percy. Although he wasn't aware of this, Rebecca was pushing him off the rails. Rebecca giggled to herself, thinking that it was funny. But Percy was cross as the boat he was in was taking him to the other railway. Together, Nia and Rebecca pushed James onto the coal tipper. After he was lowered back on firm rails, he was very cross. Duck was pulling his freight cars of stone when Rebecca bumped him. When Rebecca was giggling, Duck was very cross. Luckily, his driver and fireman had jumped clear before the crash. Then, Nia pushed Douglas into a signal box. "I know when this happened to Donny," said Douglas. "Me and the others who have had an accident will be over it soon." Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engines. "Edward, Henry, and Geoffrey, for saving the day, you get the rest of the day off," he said. "As for you two," scolded Sir Topham Hatt, "I heard from Edward, Henry, and Geoffrey that you caused some of my engines had to go to the works. I will not be inviting both of you back," he said. And with that, Nia and Rebecca went away. "Why did Nia and Rebecca have to come back here?" Henry asked. "I had to give Nia and Rebecca a second chance," said Sir Topham Hatt. Percy was still cross. "I can't believe Rebecca got me sent here," he said. Geoffrey came in and saved Percy. At last, they got back to Sodor. "Thank you for saving me," said Percy. "You're welcome," said Geoffrey. "Can we be friends?" asked Percy. "Sure," said Geoffrey. And the two new friends went back to work.